Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to port your pet in Heartopia so you don't have to take care of it all time. Like if you feel tired of managing your pet, this feature is perfect solutions. First, make sure you take your pet out using the go out feature. Just tap on the actions and then just tap on go out like this, but keep in mind this feature only unlocks once your pet caring level reaches a certain level. And after that, just go head over to Mrs. Joanne Pet Store like this, and then just go meet Mrs. Joanne. And once you at the Mrs. Joanne Pet Store, just tap on the shelf, this one, and then just tap on pet boarding. And then in here you can just see your pet on the port options, and then just tap on port like this. And then just tap on confirm boarding. In here you need to pay 20,000 coins. Just tap on confirm boarding and then just tap confirm again. And then just like that, you won't need to take care of your pet anymore. And in my case, I don't need to take care of my dog anymore. And however, your pet carrying hobby level will not increase while your pet is boarded. But don't worry, you can always take your pet back anytime if you want to start caring for it again. Just tap on self again and then tap on pet boarding, and then in here you can just tap on retrieve. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.